Oh my word. I don't know how I managed to keep a hold of my phone. Guys, day 2 of Beast from the East here in Scotland. Oh my god. It is still wild. I woke up at 4 AM last night to come and check on the weather, and I've never seen anything like it out the window. I'm just up, I'm outside, and look at it. It is drifting. Amazing. I absolutely love it. I hope you guys enjoyed the first Beast from the East video, but it looks like it's going to have to be a series now because, like, look at this. What's next for my plan for the Beast East? As soon as the snow stops, I am going to go out there and do some sledging or something, I think. Yes, I know, in the UK we like to make a big fuss of weather, but this is serious. 1,000 people were stuck in their cars overnight for 15 hours yesterday in the motorway very close to here in Scotland. Just like blizzard conditions. So, what to do? I'm going to enjoy it. Hey, boys. Hey, guys. Wow, that snow is deep. I've given up trying to clear the whole pathway now because it's just impossible. Plus it's going to snow more and cover it over, so I'm just making tire tracks so I can get in and out the gate hopefully. But even that's going to be difficult. Like almost a foot of snow here. Turn it on and leave it on for... Oh shit, you see that? Stop it. Turn the car on and leave it for a while. Let it heat up on its own. I'm just covering my car in snow though, look. I've never seen anything like this. What about you, Princey? You want to go out? Huh? Do you want to go out or not? Shiloh! Look at Shiloh! That is quite a sorry state of affairs at this time of year in the snow. Right, this is daft. I've been looking for about 20 minutes for sledges. Couldn't find them. I knew they were here somewhere. Two suspicious little rectangles there. I hope that's them. Wow, yes. We're going sledging, people. Woo! We're going sledging. We're going sledging. I'm so excited. Wow, the snow's so deep. Look at that. You're disappearing. Look at that. The first time I went to Iceland about 2 or 3 years ago, I got myself kitted out with all this snow gear. It's awesome. Makes me look like a bit of a snow ninja though. The thing is, I thought I'd never ever need it again. So it's been in storage. How wrong was I? Bloody need it here right home in Edinburgh. 2 days later, I can't believe there's still like a continuous blizzard going on. Look at that. Anyway, I've got the sledge. I'm going for a wee bit of a ride down the hill. This is a riot. It's a total whiteout just about. This is insane. Absolutely love it. Yeah. Yeah, pal. You're the right one for this weather, aren't you? The thing is, like, a lot of people in Canada and North America have been making fun of me over on YouTube and Twitter and Instagram and all that kind of stuff, saying I'm a wimp and like there's not much snow really, but this is really unprecedented here. The amount of snow that we've had here in Edinburgh, we're not prepared for it. And like, it's a lot of snow as well. It's a solid amount. It's a foot deep on average, I'd say. And yeah, it's just absolutely crazy. Our roads have been pretty much entirely shut down. Public transport is a no-go. It is madness. We've got a break in the snow at the moment, right? And it's literally like the Winter Olympics up here on Craigmillar Castle Hill. We've got people going down on cushions from their sofas that they've wrapped in bags. They've got people just going down in bin bags. I've got my sledge. I'm going to go down a few times. It's a bit of a laugh. But I'm starting to feel the cold now. My hands are going. What the hell is that? That's like a cushion in a bag. Oh my god! That was so much fun. I need to set aside a whole day of just doing that. Brilliant. And there's another big squally snow shower coming my way. I'm walking through snow that's about 10 foot deep. Oh, it's like walking through the wilds of Iceland or something. Oh man. I need to get home before I get frostbite. Right, I'm on. I've got the reins. Oh my word. Woo. Oh my word. Look at me. Fuck. Oh my god. I mean, how did that happen? That was so much fun. I need to do that again. Oh my word. I don't know how I managed to keep a hold of my phone and do that at the same time. I was going to go out in the car and get some food, but like, I don't think so. The path has been totally covered again. Insane. The sky's a really weird purple colour right now. It's not showing up on the phone, I don't think, but or maybe over that way. This really ominous purple colour. I'm literally just making 2 tracks for the car to get out, and then that's it. No more. Shallow just sniffed out a wee. It wasn't even a mouse. It was I think it was a vole. A constant battle of trying to get the car ice free. Like this whole last day or two, trying to keep the ice off the windows and stuff, otherwise we just ain't going out. Car's pretty snowed under. Everybody is advising us not to do this, but needs must. Been caught short. Personally didn't believe the snow was going to be as bad as it is, so we have run out of stuff like milk and bread. The other crazy thing as well, like Edinburgh city centre, I have never seen it this quiet ever. This is a Thursday night. It is 7 PM exactly, and it's empty. There's nobody. know when you know things are really bad in this country is when McDonald's is closed.
It's not just any McDonald's, all the 24 hours McDonald's.
24 hours McDonald's shut. That's when you know this storm has, like, done it. No bread. That's a whole rack of bread that should be there. None. Panic buying. Can't blame people.
To hear me out one time, you got to be yourself. Cause if you ain't yourself,
What's wrong, Prince?